Please stand behind the yellow line.
Mind the gap, please. Mind the gap, please. Mind the gap, please.
Please stand behind the yellow line.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This is Victoria. This is
What's up guys, UKTransit here. Today I'm going to be going to the only London Underground station that is named after a bird, and that is Ravenscourt Park. According to ChatGPT, I know ChatGPT is not a reliable source whatsoever. Apparently, Canary Wharf isn't actually named after a bird, apparently. So we're going to go and see the only London Underground station that is named after a bird, Ravenscourt Park. Let's go. The next station is Ravenscourt Park, and this is the only London Underground station named after a bird.
The next station is Ravenscourt Park.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Right, so this is Ravenscourt Park. We're going to have a look around the station. And Piccadilly line services straight. And Piccadilly line services do not stop here, they go straight past. The only operator that stops here is the District line. So let's have a look around Ravenscourt Park. And is there any sight of birds? Oh, I thought this was a bird's nest. That would have been really cool. You got a help point. Oh, I thought these are like plant fins, yeah, plant pots or whatever. Got another help point. You can't read that, I don't think, but interestingly it says westbound trains Piccadilly line. But as you can see, the Piccadilly line clearly does not stop here. This is like a space pod. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's like a ship. What's this? Oh my god, this waiting room is like a ship. It's like, I feel like I've boarded like that R&Li boat again. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see what I'm talking about? It's just, it's like a ship. That's really cool. Oh, that's nice. There's a station announcement point, help point. And this is District line services towards Ealing Broadway and Richmond. There's nothing really down there. There's some advertisements like you normally have. And then if you come down these stairs, they're really old looking stairs. It looks like they're made of wood. This is quite a unique, different station. Wow, this is really different. Oh, and then you go, oh, this is really weird. And then you go up here, that's a Piccadilly line train passing. Then you go up here for the services towards Upminster. That's quite cool. This is a really different kind of station. It's very unique. But yeah, the Piccadilly line just flies through. I find it funny that the Piccadilly line could stop here, but they just fly straight through. It's a very different station, it's nice. It's good to have something different, rather than your normal tube station. It is unfortunately raining a lot today. I do like rain, but when rain gets onto the camera, it obviously gets in the way of the filming. You got a nice ship waiting room again, and then it does say eastbound trains Piccadilly line, but there isn't any train stopping today, and they don't normally stop here from my knowledge, and from what I found online, they don't usually stop here. But yeah, this is Ravenscourt Park. Minor step there. It's an interesting place, definitely. Ravenscourt Park, underground. It's a very weird place, but a good weird. Underground sign there. But yes, it's quite an odd place. I'm gonna ask the person in the office, ticket office, if the well, it's not a ticket office, information place, if the Piccadilly line ever stops here. Oh. Right, I've got my answer. In an emergency, yes, that was quite obvious. But the Piccadilly line, apparently, according to a member of staff, never stops at Ravenscourt Park unless it's an emergency. So they will fly past like there's no tomorrow. Right, I'm getting on my district line service to Upminster now. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Nice quick little video about Ravenscourt Park, the only station, the only London Underground station named after a bird. Like, subscribe, and leave any comments down below. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.